this is Patty with My Florida Dreams. I just received a brand new listing, which is 2005 Fleetwood, listed at 42 Colony Cove Drive North in Colony Cove. This home is totally vaulted throughout, very large kitchen, open to the dining room and living room. Has a brand new refrigerator, updated flooring, new roof over, and is handicap accessible. This home is also a turnkey property, so everything here stays and you just move right in. Has a 12 by 12 sunroom open to the living room for added space. Two screened-in lanais for outdoor living. Hallway is very wide to the bedrooms and bath. Laundry room is located on our left here. Washer and dryer is included. Guest bath, very wide doorways. Home has also fresh interior paint. Nice vaulted ceilings in the bedrooms. Master bedroom, large walk-in closet. All countertops are also 42-inch height, which is wonderful. And master bath has walk-in shower. This home is a must-see, so give me a call quick so we can take a peek before it's gone. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.